Journey through interconnectedness. Chapter 3. The question that changed everything. For most of my life, I asked the same question many people ask. Why is this happening to me? Why this challenge? Why this setback? Why this pain? But over time, another question began to emerge. A question that changed the way I saw everything. What is this trying to teach me? That single shift changed my perspective. Instead of seeing obstacles as interruptions, I started seeing them as invitations. Invitations to grow, invitations to learn, invitations to become someone new. Looking back now, some of my greatest teachers arrived disguised as challenges, and that's one of the first threads I discovered on this journey. Sometimes the lesson arrives before we understand why we needed it. What lesson took you years to understand? I am Unique Monique, and this is my story.